This was all you, none of it me. You put your hands on my body and
Happy Monday, everybody. How is everybody doing? Today is Monday. It's very cold in New York City. I wanted to do this video. I was inspired to do this video because it's 2021 and we are going to do things differently this year. This is my first unboxing. So I ordered these really cute pajamas from Amazon, and I'm about to unbox them. I think this might be my first unboxing on YouTube. And does that look like a penis? Kinda does. They're actually really, really nice. I really like what I'm looking at. Look at that beautiful print. Spoil themselves, do something nice for yourself. Buy yourself whatever the hell you want if you can, especially single mothers. We need to just put ourselves first once in a blue moon, or maybe every day. Every day you do something for yourself. Anyway, so here is the first print. Look how pretty that is. It's like green, soft pink. And here's the top. First, I suggest you wash it. Whoever decides to buy anything online and you get it, just make sure you wash it, or you steam wash, or you just make sure that you disinfect it also. But again, these are going to be washed. And look how pretty. Look at the buttons. Got a lot of pretty details, pretty buttons, and so pretty. Oh my God. It's got a little pocket. You see the pocket with here. And how pretty. You will see that I'm going to put a link, so whoever wants to order these, you can just on the description box, if there's a link, and you're just gonna order them. And I'm not trying to set up a store. That is just too much, and I'm definitely not trying to have people go fund me so I can buy more of these. Anyway, it's so pretty. They are, again, it's also, it's not real silk, but it's a very warm, soft fabric, and I just love these two. Pajamas. They are definitely comfortable. They're comfortable. You are going to